Hi, I'm David Witter, founder and CEO of Financial Harvest Wealth Advisors. If you're like some people, you're like, hey, I really have causes that I care about. But when I give to charity, I want to know what's the best way to give to charities, or what's the more strategic way to give to charities. So the first thing I would say is if you have appreciated assets, meaning like stocks that have increased in value or maybe a private business interest, that could be a more effective way to give to charity as opposed to just writing a check. As we like to say, friends don't let friends give cash to charity. The reason for that is if you have appreciated stock or appreciated business interest and give that to a charity, not only will you possibly get the charitable deduction on your itemized deductions, but you also can avoid that capital gains of the appreciation on that asset. Another way is some of you listening might be in your retirement years. There's something called a qualified charitable distribution. Oftentimes we see our retired clients, they may be in a spot where they don't do itemized deductions anymore. And they're worried like, hey, if I write a check to the charity, I'm not really getting a tax benefit for it. Well, one way to still capture that tax benefit is to actually give directly from a retirement account, an IRA as an example. And when you do that qualified charitable distribution from the IRA over to the charity, in essence, you're, quote, avoiding that income. It doesn't show up on your tax return, which basically makes it a tax deductible for you, as we like to say. So as you can see, there's more strategic ways to give to charity other than just writing a check. So make sure that you're on top of the best ways to be given to your charitable organizations that you care most about. I'm David Witter, founder and CEO of Financial Harvest Wealth Advisors.